So, nasa CR ako ngayon, guys. Ito. Kasa. Hey guys, baon ta sa camping guys, kay walang pwedeng pagbilhan here. This is our boat. Still waiting. Wow. And now we reach Canada. Tapos kami kalot sa tigulang.
Tita, are you feeding them?
No.
What?
Yung mga bata ko nila picture. Pag ako may picture.
Okay, go.
Go back. Dala auntie ha, matawal ako kay budoy-budoy na lang. Grabe yung bato no?
Dami.
Daddy, I used the shortcut.
Yeah.
I used that one. How about the time? Where you can see?
Large flower pot.
Around there to go down.
Let's go. Let's go there. Go high. Come on, go there. That way, dito mga iyak ko.
Wow, there are tables here.
Oh, you can swim, I think, here. Oh.
We'll show you so that it will be fast.
Paano But I think it's slippery. Because can ara itong ano. No.
It's very dangerous here to swim, anak. It's not safe.
Yeah, you need to wear your socks, okay? Layo na ta.
Oh no, we're not going there, Kai. We're not going there.
Not going there. It's so dangerous.
Di ba kalawi maglakat tiga mo ni Muni si ate oh.
Daddy. Ang bata. Careful, Kyle.
Come on. Oh, take a picture, kids. Come on.
Here. Bas kan, ano lang. Lapit na lang man. Tapos balik na. Shortcut. Jamie,
Wait, 7 kilometers kasi lang dito.
Jamie.
Makaabot sila sa oras?
Di ba 11:30?
Oh, 1 hour pa. 30 minutes na walk. Pakto. 30 man pabalik.
Nadasma si ate. We have to go for first aid.
If you only listen to daddy and mommy, sleep early, and you're gonna be lang fast.
Sana all. Yeah. Because you're annoying. You're annoying ate.